really enjoyed spending time with my close friend named Alex. We first met during our first year at university when we were playing in the same study room. At the beginning, we didn't talk much, but over time, we became good friends. What I appreciate most about Alex is his positive attitude and great sense of humor. Whenever we spend time together, we usually have long conversations, study together, or simply go out for coffee to relax. He also someone I can rely on when I'm feeling stressed or need advice. I enjoy spending time with him because he's supportive, honest, and easy to be around. Being with him helps me feel comfortable and understood. And I always leave our conversations feeling more motivated and relaxed. For this reason, he is someone I truly value in my life. The person I recently met and really liked is a colleague I was introduced to a small workshop about communication skills a few months ago. We were put in the same discussion group, which gave us the chance to talk quite a lot during the session. We mainly talked about our work experiences, personal goals, and how communication plays an important role in both professional and daily life. I found the conversation very natural and engaging. And we share several similar interests, especially in learning and self-development. What I liked most about this person was their open-mindedness and friendly attitude. They listened carefully, asked thoughtful questions, and made me feel comfortable even though we haven't met. Overall, it was a positive first impression, and I hope to meet and talk with them again in the future. I would like to talk about my audition, who has helped me in many important ways, especially during a difficult period in my life. This happened a few years ago when I was feeling uncertain about my future and struggling to make some major decisions. She helped me mainly by giving emotional support and practical advice. She took the time to listen to my worries, shared her own experiences, and encouraged me to think more confidently about my abilities. Sometimes, she even helped me plan my next steps in a clear and realistic way. This support helped me a lot because it made me feel less stressed and more confident. Instead of feeling lost, I began to see things more clearly and take positive action. Thanks to her guidance and encouragement, I was able to move forward with greater motivation and self-belief. The person I can rely on most during difficult times is my mother. I have known her my whole life, of course, but as I have grown older, I have come to appreciate her support even more. Whenever I'm under pressure or facing a tough decision, she always listens patiently and tries to understand the situation instead of judging me. She often gives calm and practical advice, which helps me think more clearly. Sometimes, just talking to her makes me feel more relaxed and less overwhelmed. I can rely on her because she is consistent, understanding, and always there when I need support. She never makes me feel weak for asking for help. And her presence gives me a strong sense of comfort and security. For these reasons, she plays a very important role in my life. I like to talk about girlfriend and I had during my classmates for several years and spent a lot of time studying and hanging out together, so we became quite close. However, after we graduated, we went to different universities in different cities, and gradually we lost touch. At first we tried to stay connected through social media, but as our life became busier, we communicated less and less. I still remember this person clearly because we shared many meaningful experiences during an important stage of my life. He was supportive, kind, and always willing to help me when I was under pressure, even though we don't talk anymore. The friendship had a strong impact on me, and I often feel grateful when I think about those memories.